In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a chart from Google Sheets into your Google Slides presentation. This skill can be a real game changer, especially when you're dealing with dynamic data that requires frequent updates. By the end of this session, you'll be able to efficiently embed charts in your presentations, keeping your data current and visually engaging. First, let's open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you want your chart to be displayed. It's important to decide this early on so you can visualize how your data will fit in with your slide's content. Now, head over to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find the Insert option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. To bring in your chart, follow this path. Insert, then Chart, and finally, From Sheets. Once you've clicked on From Sheets, a dialog box will pop up. This is where you'll be selecting the Google Sheets file that contains your chart. It's a good idea to ensure your Google Sheets file is ready beforehand with all the necessary data visualized in chart form. After you have selected your Google Sheets file, the next step is to choose the specific chart from that sheet. Remember, you can have multiple charts in one Google Sheets file, so make sure you're picking the one that best represents the data story you wish to tell. A crucial part of this process is making sure the option to link to spreadsheet is checked. This is incredibly important because it ensures that your chart stays connected to its original data source. By keeping this connection alive, any updates made in the Google Sheets will automatically sync with the chart in your Google Slides. This feature is a huge time saver and will keep your presentations accurate and up to date without extra effort on your part. Once you have all that set up, hit Import. Your chart will then appear on the slide exactly where you wanted it. At this point, you might need to make some adjustments. To fit the aesthetic of your slide and to ensure readability, you may want to resize or reposition the chart. You can easily do this by dragging the chart's corner handles. This flexibility allows you to format your presentation exactly how you'd like, without compromising on clarity or accuracy. In case you need to update the data in your Google Sheets later on, Google Slides has you covered. Simply make your way back to Google Slides and you'll notice an Update button, or possibly a link option, displayed on your chart if there have been any changes in the data source. By clicking this button, you'll refresh the chart, ensuring that your presentation always reflects the most recent data. And there you have it. Integrating dynamic charts into your Google Slides can greatly enhance the effectiveness and professionalism of your presentations. Enjoy crafting visually striking slide decks that tell the right data story every single time.